Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily block contact on your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to the settings, and in the settings you need to find phone option, and in the phone option you need to scroll down until you will see here blocked contact. So just open it, and here you will see all the contacts you added before, or if you don't add any contact you see here empty list. So in the end of this list you will see add new. So just click on button add new, and here you will see all of your contact, and you just choose contact you want to add and just successfully add this contact to this list. Or if you want to delete some contact, just click edit here and you can unblock contacts from here. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.